So today we're going to talk about the Spax multi-material screws. To start with, we've got the square cut tip, which really helps with fast starts. Next we got the cut threads, which means that you don't have to pre-drill this screw. Next are the cutting nibs under the head, and what this does is gives you a nice clean finish. And finally is that grade 5 durability, which means that you're not going to snap the heads off this screw.
You'll see how effortlessly I'm going to drive it into this wood. Next, into this metal plate. Finally, into the concrete.
Spax, multi-material, easier to drive, so less effort, and there's no pre-drilling, so it saves you time.